If you remember the 3 pillars of our features, from discover new ideas, to decide if an investment is good or not, to monitor your investments and portfolios, important dates feature is a very useful feature for you to monitor your investments. As the name suggests, important dates, so they're about some of the critical dates you should know about your investments, both in stocks and funds. And here you have a dedicated section on the Home tab that you can read about their important dates. For example, here AT&T, you can see its next dividend date, the dividend per share you will get in dollars, and also their analyzed dividend yield. And also under AT&T, you can see whether it's in your watch list or which portfolio it is in. And by the way, the securities here you can see in important dates come from your securities in your watch list and in all of your portfolios. You can click into all, and here's a very handy view for you to look at all the securities you have in your portfolios and your watch list, and correspondingly their next dividend date, their ex-dividend dates, and their next reporting earning dates. And obviously you can click into any one of these securities and you'll land on their detail page. So here we go, this is a handy feature that allows you to track different dates you care about so that you never miss out on anything important.